welcome to the world of peace. You are about to discover 5 incredible tricks to make the law of attraction work in your life. Get ready for a journey of manifestation and transformation. In this video, we will share powerful secrets to attract everything you desire. But remember, the key to success lies in maintaining a joyful and positive attitude. Are you ready to open the doors to abundance? Then let's go. Here are 5 tricks to make the law of attraction work for you. Remember to maintain a joyful attitude and use the second person to make it more engaging. Trick 1. Make your requests in the present tense. When formulating your desires, it is important to express them in the present. Instead of saying, "I will succeed," say, "You are enjoying great success." This tunes your mind into the reality you want to manifest, making your attraction more powerful. Making your requests in the present tense is important because it has a significant impact on your mindset and the manifestation of your desires. When you express your desires in the present, you are creating a direct connection with the reality you want to manifest, activating a powerful energy of attraction. By affirming statements like, "You are enjoying great success," you are aligning your mind with the idea that success is already an integral part of your current life. This means you are putting yourself in the mindset of already having achieved your goals, which strengthens your belief in your abilities and boosts your confidence. When you formulate your requests in the present tense, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready to receive and experience what you desire. This attitude of confidence and gratitude opens doors to opportunities, synchronicities, and favorable circumstances that align with your vision of success. Furthermore, expressing your desires in the present tense also helps reprogram your subconscious mind. By regularly repeating present tense affirmations, you are replacing old limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs that direct your attention towards what you want to achieve. Remember that your words have power, and by making your requests in the present tense, you are sending a powerful message to the universe and activating the process of manifesting your desires. So start using this practice today and observe how your mindset and attraction become more powerful and positive. Trick 2. Visualize your desires with emotion. Imagine your desires coming true and feel the positive emotions associated with it. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, experiencing the abundance and happiness you desire. This practice helps create a high vibration and attract what you want into your reality. It is extremely important to visualize your desires with emotion because it amplifies the power of manifestation and creates a deep connection with what you aspire to. When you imagine your desires coming true and experience the positive emotions associated with them, you are activating the law of attraction intensely and powerfully. By visualizing yourself achieving your goals, you are creating a clear and vivid mental scenario of the reality you want to manifest. This practice helps program your subconscious mind to believe that your desires are possible and attainable. Furthermore, by feeling the positive emotions during visualization, such as joy, gratitude, and enthusiasm, you are emitting a high vibration to the universe. This vibration attracts experiences, people, and circumstances that are in alignment with your mental images and positive emotions. Visualization with emotion also strengthens your personal belief in the realization of your desires. By internally experiencing the abundance and happiness you seek, you are building a solid foundation of trust and self-confidence. This propels you to take action towards your goals and attract the necessary opportunities to achieve them. Remember that visualization with emotion is a powerful practice, but it's also important to combine it with concrete action. Visualizing your desires creates the mindset and energy required, but it's necessary to take consistent steps towards your goals. Therefore, start incorporating visualization with emotion into your daily routine. Dedicate time to imagine your desires manifesting, feel the positive emotions associated with them, and allow this practice to strengthen your confidence and attract what you desire most into your reality. Trick 3. Be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more good things into your life. Recognize and express gratitude for all the positive things you already possess. This puts you in a state of appreciation and increases your positive vibration, making it easier to attract more abundance. Being grateful for what you already have is of utmost importance because gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more good things into your life. When you recognize and express gratitude for all the positive things you already possess, you create a state of appreciation and increase your positive vibration, making it easier to attract more abundance. Gratitude is a practice that directs your focus towards the positive things that are present in your life in the present moment. By cultivating gratitude, you shift your perspective and start to value and acknowledge the blessings, opportunities, and small moments of joy that may go unnoticed. When you are in a state of gratitude, you emit a positive energy that resonates with the universe. This elevated vibration attracts more experiences, people, and circumstances that are aligned with this positive energy. Gratitude creates a virtuous cycle where more things to be grateful for are attracted into your life. Furthermore, gratitude also strengthens your emotional resilience and your ability to deal with challenges. By being grateful for what you already have, you develop a mindset of abundance and wholeness, which helps you navigate difficult times more easily and find creative solutions. Therefore, set aside time every day to practice gratitude. Make a list of things you are grateful for, reflect on them, and genuinely feel appreciation. Express gratitude in your words, thoughts, and actions. Over time, you will see how gratitude transforms your perspective and attracts more abundance and happiness into your life. Trick 4. Maintain positive thoughts and avoid negativity. The law of attraction responds to your predominant thoughts and feelings. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate a positive mindset and avoid negativity. Be mindful of negative thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts. Foster a mindset of confidence, optimism, and infinite possibilities. Maintaining positive thoughts and avoiding negativity is of utmost importance because the law of attraction responds to your predominant thoughts and feelings. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate a positive mindset and direct your energy towards the positive aspects of life. Being mindful of negative thoughts and replacing them with positive thoughts is crucial to attract desired experiences. Our thoughts have tremendous power in creating our reality. When you focus on positive thoughts, you emit a vibrant and elevated energy that attracts positive circumstances and events into your life. On the other hand, if you allow negative thoughts to dominate your mind, you send out low vibration signals that attract more negativity. Cultivating a mindset of confidence, optimism, and infinite possibilities is a daily practice. It is important to monitor your thoughts and consciously replace any negative thought you detect with a positive one. This requires self-discipline and self-awareness, but the benefits are immense. By maintaining a positive attitude, you become more resilient in the face of challenges and better able to find creative solutions. Additionally, you attract positive relationships, enriching opportunities, and rewarding experiences. To nurture a positive mindset, you can incorporate practices such as gratitude, visualization, affirmation, and seeking inspiration. Surround yourself with optimistic people and motivate yourself with success stories. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being as they are interconnected. Remember that you have the power to choose your thoughts. By cultivating positive thoughts and avoiding negativity, you shape your reality in alignment with your desires and aspirations. Through this practice, you become a magnet for positive and transformative experiences. Therefore, commit to a positive mindset, create an atmosphere of optimistic thoughts, and daily inspire yourself to attract joy, abundance, and success in all areas of your life. Trick 5. Take actions aligned with your desires. The law of attraction is not just about thoughts and emotions but also about action. Take consistent and aligned actions toward your desires. Be open to opportunities and be willing to act when they arise. Your actions demonstrate to the universe your readiness to receive what you desire. Taking actions aligned with your desires is of utmost importance because the law of attraction is not just about thoughts and emotions but also about action. By taking consistent and aligned actions toward your desires, you are showing the universe your readiness to receive what you desire. The law of attraction works hand in hand with the principle of deliberate action. This means you need to be open to opportunities and willing to act when they present themselves in your life. You cannot simply sit back and wait for your desires to materialize without taking any action. When you act in accordance with your desires, you send a clear signal to the universe that you are committed to manifesting what you want. Your actions showcase your determination, commitment, and belief in the realization of your desires. Be mindful of the opportunities that come your way. Sometimes, it may be necessary to step out of your comfort zone and take a leap into the unknown. Be open to experiencing new things, learning from challenges, and moving forward even when faced with obstacles. Remember that action is a crucial component in the manifestation of your desires. By taking actions aligned with what you want, you are putting into practice the intention and energy you have emitted through your thoughts and emotions. This synchronicity between thought, emotion, and action strengthens your connection with the universe and accelerates the manifestation process. Therefore, do not limit yourself to just dreaming and visualizing your desires. Take concrete steps toward them. Make a plan, set goals, and take consistent actions to achieve them. Be present, focused, and committed to following the path that will lead you to your desired destination. You are a co-creator of your reality. Through the combination of thoughts, emotions, and actions, you have the power to manifest the life you want to live. So, be ready to take action and open to receiving the wonderful opportunities the universe has to offer. Remember that consistent practice of these tricks and believing in the manifestation of your desires are key to making the law of attraction work in your life. Enjoy the process and trust in the power of the universe to bring forth what you seek. I hope these tips have been helpful for you to manifest the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this content and want to receive more valuable tips on self-improvement and personal development, subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will have access to more inspiring videos, effective techniques, and motivating stories to help you reach your fullest potential. Take advantage of this opportunity to join our community of individuals committed to personal growth and success. Don't waste any time, subscribe now. Thank you for following our content. We hope to see you soon in the upcoming videos.